Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting my research work on screening of polymers for the formulation and evaluation of linezolid polymeric nanoparticles loaded in hydrogel for optimum wound healing purpose. The background of my research is diabetic foot ulcer, which is a complication in diabetic patients affecting around 25% of the India's diabetic population. These wounds are slow healing, highly prone to infections, and often lead to amputations. Due to impaired immune responses, diabetic wound have a 50% higher risk of infections. These are the stages of diabetic wound healing. This is a Merit-Wagner classification of diabetic foot ulcers where if a person reaches to stage 3, 4 or 5, the patient requires amputation. This is my research problem which suggests formulations often lack long-lasting hydration, impairing wound healing in patients. Conventional products fail to provide consistent or sustained drug release, and some formulation may cause irritation or allergic reactions in sensitive skin. My research objective aims to develop a linezolid polymeric nanoparticle incorporated into hydrogel in order to enhance the stability and provide sustained drug release. My hypothesis suggests that the prepared hydrogels will absorb the exudates and maintain a moist wound environment for faster healing, will reduce the risk of infections, and will protect the active ingredient from degradation. This is the drug profile of my drug linezolide and mechanism of action. This is the method of preparation, that is nanoprecipitation method, which I have utilized for the preparation of my polymeric nanoparticles. These are the results and discussions. The FTIR and DSC confirm the structural integrity and purity of my drug. These are the evaluations of the prepared batches where I characterize the PEG 4000, which is my polymeric nanoparticles, by evaluating with certain evaluations such as size, zeta potentials, entrapment efficiency, and pH. These are the characterizations of drug-loaded polymeric nanoparticle loaded hydrogels where they were evaluated with pH, drug content, viscosity, and spreadability. These are the TEM images of my prepared polymeric nanoparticles, which suggest that the spherical morphology and uniformity of the nanoparticles were confirmed. This is the in vitro drug release study, which suggests that the polymeric nanoparticles exhibit sustained release profile and confirm or says that these are crucial for prolonged antimicrobial activity. This is the in vitro antibacterial study against S. aureus, which shows that zone of inhibitions demonstrating the antimicrobial efficacy of my formulations. Lastly, I would like to conclude that the linezolid loaded polymeric nanoparticles in hydrogel provide controlled drug release and effective antibacterial activity, making them a promising topical treatment for diabetic wound healing. These are the references. Thank you.